That seems awfully bloody. You want a photo of that?
This is going to be the third mold. Try and get 2 pieces in there. This is the one we're ramming up right now. I'm going to get these 2 poured and hopefully get the big one rammed up. If we have enough sand. So this is the cope of the second mold, I suppose, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, down at the bottom. There's the drag. The sprue comes in here. With a little luck, we'll have piece number 2 done up pretty soon.
Slide back to you. Good. Touchdown. You're going to just slide it back there. Okay. Thank you. Now I'm just going to tip mine back a little, which should allow us to. I'm in on my side.
It's in on this side.
Okay, we can slide.
Oh. That's it. Is that it? Yep. Feels like it.
Yeah, now lie down towards you.
Yep.
Okay.
There's one ready to pour. We messed it up. So I'm just talking to the camera here. We messed up and we had to use our drag as a false drag or false cope or something, and we're having to redo one half of the mold. But here's this should be the drag. Yeah, this is the drag. This is the cope. No, you're right. We don't have a sprue in our cope. Oh, figured it out.
Where's the pattern that we pulled out? I need to weigh it.
Right there. Second big mold didn't work out. Twice we tried. So we got just the smaller of the 2 patterns molded up in one of my 12-inch flasks. So we got one big one and one smaller one done today. Plus the one we did yesterday. Hopefully everything here will work out the way it's meant to. Alright. So, sorry. Which one are you talking about opening first?
I was thinking this one.
You want to
the small one first?
That doesn't matter. This one is for that. On different pages.
Let's back it up a little. Oh, there's some steam coming out of there.
Yep.
Really small.
Yep.
Tasty steam. That's what it is. It's tasty steam. Okay, here we go. No flames though.
Nope. Oh my, we might have short board there a little bit. That might have been our little bobble there. That's how we missed it.
Is that on the welding edge? No, it's not.
Missing a little bit of the corner. Shit.
Oh, let's see if I can catch it on. This sucks.
That's there.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
most of it. Yeah. Set this down. There. That was, that's probably it. Because we stopped.
Yep.
Just let up for that one moment.
Unforgiving.
Damn.
Oh well.
It happens.
Face.
This one's on here.
Cool.
That's good. That's good at least.
Well, that allows me to start working on one full block at least, and I can decide whether or not I think I can patch and chase that corner. I probably can.
Hope so. Man, that was a lot of work.
Yeah. But that's not the one that fucked us from keeping me either.
Yeah, this one's off here. The big one is missing just the little corner there. You said you think you can hopefully fix that, right?
I think so, yeah.
You can hope. I don't feel like making that mold again. At least the little guy's all there.
Yep.
Cool.